We gotta, find a place to hide. Quick, in here. Zoinks! Ghost! Let's get out of here. Whew. We finally got away from that goony miner. It's him! Look out!
Are you guys all right?
Groovy.
Hey, what happened to Daphne?
I fell down in here.
Wouldn't you know it? Danger-prone Daphne fell into a mine shaft.
You'll get her?
It's the Miner 49er. Again, there's a maze of secret passages down there. And guess what I saw in that mine?
Yeah, we saw him too.
I guess Hank wasn't kidding about that ancient miner. Do you suppose that's the miner moaning?
Well, like if I had a face like that, I'd moan too.
Hey, look! I found a clue. It seems that this wire leads up to that speaker.
Now things are beginning to make a little sense.
And I have a hunch what we'll find at the other end of this wire. I was right. A tape recorder.
Well, that accounts for the mysterious moaning.
Hey, look what I found. Like jars of chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup, nothing. That's samples of crude oil.
Oil? In a gold mine?
Hey, this mystery is really getting mysterious.
And what about our mysterious miner?
I've got a hunch. He'll show up soon.
Let's borrow this microphone. And Shaggy, we'll need you too.